Water ties together many lives and systems on Earth. When these lives and systems in one community share and recycle things, we call it an ecosystem. An ecosystem can be small like a park, or it can be large like a city, forest, or state. You can build your own ecosystem in a jar. That's called a terrarium. In a large ecosystem, every living plant, tree, fish, insect, animal, and human shares water. When we are done with water, it can float into the air where it is carried away. It may form clouds, or it may go into a river, lake, or ocean, or just into the ground. In streams and rivers, water flows great distances. Small streams feed bigger streams feed rivers, and rivers become bigger as they deliver water to the oceans. Look at a map of rivers in the state of Iowa. There are dozens of them. On a map of the United States, it's harder to see the little rivers, but the big ones seem to all be connected. On the internet, you find maps showing that many rivers are connected in what we call a watershed. There are many large watersheds in the United States, but there are hundreds of smaller watersheds in the states and cities. A watershed is just a place where water drains to one spot. You can also say it is a shed that holds water. A lake is a watershed. Precipitation will run off and drain into creeks and rivers that are all in a watershed. Everybody lives in a watershed. Many large watersheds end in estuaries, where the fresh water enters the oceans and mixes with salt water. Estuaries are home to a wide variety of animals, fish, insects, and plants that depend on good water quality. Any place inside the watershed, you may also have a wetland, where the ground is sometimes wet and other times dry. Both estuaries and wetlands are very important in having an ecosystem with healthy fish and animals and clean water.